back with another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing a vacuum. I have the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Vacuum. I had to look over and read that because I wasn't about to remember all of that. But yeah, I got this vacuum from JCPenney. Excuse me, girl. I got this vacuum from JCPenney's. It was about $80. But I had a gift card, so I only paid about $20. Okay. I noticed that a lot of you guys aren't subscribing. Why not? That's ghetto. Okay, so I need y'all to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all know when I post. Because I'm going to just say that y'all just don't know when I post because I don't post at the same time. But a lot of y'all been watching my videos, but y'all not subscribing. Yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into this video and show y'all this vacuum. Trying to be in frame, but here's the vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I need to find some scissors or something. I'll be right back. Okay, all right. I'm about to show y'all what we're working with.
Okay, so the TV got kind of loud, so I'm gonna do a voiceover. Right now, I am just showing you guys what comes with the vacuum, so all the extra pieces. And I was doing a bit of rambling, so you don't see me talking in between. And I was kind of confused. I didn't know what I was pulling out. Just kind of getting a look at the vacuum, but that's for the cord. But when I pulled it out, I really did not know what that was. I'm like, I don't know what this is. I probably should read the instructions, but I didn't. And yeah, I'm just pulling the stuff out and just taking a look. I believe, yep, the handle. So the handle is detachable, so you can get like your ceilings and stuff. But yeah.
So here's the vacuum. And like I said, on JCPenney's, this vacuum was about $80. I don't know if I said that actually, but this vacuum was about $80. But like I said, I had a gift card, so I only paid like about $20. It's a nice little deal. Okay, and then this thing to scoop up the stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. I think it's supposed to be together. I don't never read the instructions. I probably should though, because that probably went the wrong way. Oh no, this looks like it may be the right way. Okay, what the heck? It's stuck. Oh, okay, we got it. Okay, let's put the handle on first. I know how that goes, I think. There we go. Handle on.
One eternity later.
Okay, I decided to look at the directions, so I'm pulling the stuff out in the directions, and I'm looking, and I didn't read anything. I just seen something interesting.
Filter. That's what's up. I could just wash it. I don't gotta get a new one.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Okay, so watch me finish putting this together, because like I said, I'm a little slow.
Okay, well, like I said, these are the other parts. Give me a minute to vacuum because the newborn is asleep, so I come back later to vacuum when she's finished cleaning up the rest of my house, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys me vacuuming. I did sweep some of the stuff so y'all can actually see how it picks up. But I think it did a pretty good job. Like, really, just one pass and it cleaned up my carpet. And I'm just kind of vacuuming the area that y'all see, and then I kind of start vacuuming all around. But yeah.
So I'm back with the review for the Eureka vacuum. All in all, I like it. It picked up everything that it needs to pick up and do the job. I do like that it has a washable filter, so I don't have to keep buying a filter. And it's light. I want to say it's like 11 pounds. It's not heavy at all, and it get the job done. So all in all, it's a good. I say I give it a out of 5. I give it a 4.5. Just cause I don't know how long it's gonna last or whatever, but right now it's good. Buying a filter. Excuse me. Okay. And dang, come on, y'all, both of y'all. And I'm upset that I gotta re-record, but story of my life. Okay, can you like stop? Like, can I just record this? Cause I don't have much storage.
No.
Okay, move. You move. The heck? I'm about to. What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. Where's that? It's over there. Why would you just cut me off? I was getting into it. You will be unboxing a. Okay, come on. Just come on. Sit down. Come. All right, never mind. You just say hi. Hi. All right, back with another video. Oh, dang it. Oh, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Okay. She okay. That glass. Subscribers, please. Can you say that? Say 100. Take the nook out your mouth. Okay, put it back in your mouth. Oh, the sleep. Tell them again. It's ghetto. It's ghetto. All right. And I'm gonna need y'all to do that. So go ahead and subscribe right down below and hit that notification bell if you like my content. I don't want no fake subscribers. Did you just eat a Cheeto off the floor? Oh no, girl. Don't be eating Cheetos off the floor. I legit got Cheetos on the floor because she was eating Cheetos and excuse me. She was eating Cheetos and decided to pour it all over my floor. So I was like, well, this would be a good time to unbox that vacuum so I can vacuum this stuff up. But yeah, comment below what y'all want to see, what content y'all want to see, what y'all want to see me do. So I know how to keep y'all entertained, cause you know, I don't know what to do. But it's okay. What are you talking about?